That be Jordan. Yeah, that's Jordan's Naugahyde nose. That is Crick. He's coming for doggy daycare. There's Bogey and Penny. Penny comes for doggy daycare. And guess who this is? Beezy. Buttercup. Buttercup. Hello. Hi, Beezy. Hello there. And over here is Momo and the redneck. Beezy gonna follow that set of legs because she thinks maybe there might be something good there. Coming. Jordy. Hello, Jordy. Dixie, I wonder, can we get your nose like that? Can we get you up in the nose? Dixie Louise. Hello there, gorgeous. Penny? Hi, honey. Just free unlimited calling around the world. Crixie. Sign up now at Vonage.com and get 1 month free when you refer a friend. Vonage sounds Oopsie, where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? Oh, you coming over to see? Alrighty, let me see if we can get a Naugahyde nose on you. Ready? Set? Dixie, look up. We're going to get a Naugahyde nose. Let's get the Naugahyde nose. There's a Naugahyde nose. Dixie. You're so silly. What's such a silly girl? Let me see. Do we have a Naugahyde nose on you? There it is. There it is. How about you, redneck? Let me see that nose. Yep, there it is. Accountability for the insurance industry, who essentially rapes and pillages the consumer and has